Let's get it, Steve. Let's go. Thank you, sir. Man, is that lipstick or your lips really that red?
You have a race number.
Let's go, let's go. Where's Steve-O? Steve-O, let's go. Come on, Steve-O. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go, Steve-O. Yeah. Yeah. He's back. That's awesome.